Guys. Here we go. For today's vlog, I am with my nephew. See you. What is this? Can you tell them? Can you tell them what is this?
Dubai.
Dubai what? Dubai?
Chocolate
Chewy
cookie.
choco pistachio cookie. Okay.
Yes,
So,
in
ito siya.
Korea.
Okay, so this is it. Take it. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And now let us see.
I will watch YouTube.
Yeah, you will watch this. So now we are eating this. Can you like this? Yeah. We're gonna eat this together.
What is this?
Let's cheers. Cheers. Okay. Shut yourself. Yeah, go. Oh. This cost 6,600 Korean won. So, equivalent natin siya sa peso. Pangit na. Wait lang. Ang pangit natin si Yu. Ako tayong zombie. So, equivalent namin to sa peso. Nasa 200 plus din. Oh? Show them. Show them the crunchiness. Yeah. So see? Wow. See? The feeling. Yung laman niya. Tsaka chewy talaga. See? Ah. See, come on. First up. I'll eat in here.
Lela.
Delicious. Well, yeah. It drop. It drop. Tastes like pistachio. Kasi nga pistachio, di ba?
Aray ko!
I'm done.
We're not done. We're gonna have this, like this. It's yours? Just kidding, ano.
Aray ko!
Only one and pala. So, that's it for today, folks. Say hi to them. Ang pangit ng bunganga natin. So anyway, guys. So, yun, na-share lang namin yung kinain namin Dubai Choco Chewy Pistachio. So, cookies. Hello, my next vlog. Ciao! Like this, like this. Like this. Say hi.